Welcome to the third annual Blockchain Real Estate Summit. We really appreciate you being here. This is such an exciting thing because we've got people from all over the world in the blockchain real estate industry. We've got people from Asia, we've got people from South America, North America, we've got the entire European continent, we've got the Middle East, we've even got people from Africa. This is truly a global industry, and we are excited to bring you some of the brightest minds, the newest thinkers, and everything in between. You are going to love this. We have deliberately set up this conference this year to take into account three separate time zones. So the first day of today that we're on, it's going to be a European focus with builders and technologists and blockchain and real estate people in the European zone, but also international. And then the next day, we're going to be in the Asian time zone. So we're going to push back the conference and the time start in order to accommodate an Asian daytime. And really, we've got some of the most incredible people in the industry. And then the next day, we focus on North America and South America. We have some exceptional keynote speakers this week. We have Remy from Realty, and I have to tell you, the Realty guys are just doing an outstanding job. They are truly the pioneers. They've been doing it year in, year out. They've been trying to figure it out legally, and they have not only real estate tokenization, they've got people earning actual income. They've shoved a bunch of people, actually a bunch of investors, into houses as low as $78,000 and as high as, over $1 million. But we're talking, they've got like hundreds, if not thousands of investors in some of these deals. And not only that, but they've also got successful DeFi so that these projects are trading on DEXs, these projects are locked in protocols and earning additional income. So it's just a really wild and incredible thing. Tomorrow, we have two phenomenal keynote speakers. We have Remy Jacobson from Realty, as we talked about earlier, and all the stuff that they're doing. We've got Julian Kwan from InvestaX, and these guys are super cutting edge as well, not only with NFTs, but doing everything legally in Singapore. We've got Henry Cho from Fusang, and he's talking about doing regulated stocks and also regulated products and putting it all on the blockchain. So it's real assets on the blockchain. And we also have a special guest and a keynote speaker, Klaus Scanning from DigiShares. And DigiShares not only is pulling together and has been building the tokenization platform that a lot of people have found very successful in, tokenizing the shares of their properties and tokenizing the shares of their projects. But also they are putting together an exchange called the Real Estate.exchange, which will allow things in the future to trade. We have everything from people talking about title to even oil and gas tokenization, gold and precious metals tokenization. So if you are looking for a little bit of something, you're going to get this. Additionally, this is going to be the first installment of the Blockchain Real Estate Summit podcast. So with this, we are starting to interview and get more in-depth interviews with people in the industry, people that are creating the technology, people that are making the changes, and people that are moving things forward, so that what we're all about is financial freedom. And the greatest amount of financial freedom, if people can buy real estate, they can sell their real estate, and they can also invest in real estate in the smallest increments possible, and also stabilize their money in a different country, or they can stabilize it all over the globe, or they can choose where they want to invest, or they can choose where they want to borrow. This is what we're trying to do. We are trying to do worldwide financial freedom. So with that, I really, really, really appreciate you tuning in to the Blockchain Real Estate Summit. I am Michael Flight, founder of the Blockchain Real Estate Summit, also founder of Liberty Fund, the first world's tokenized real estate net lease property fund. And we've also got a ton of exciting new developments for you. So I really appreciate you tuning in. If you're interested in learning more, go to blockchainrealestatesummit.com. That's blockchainrealestatesummit.com. This episode is sponsored by Invest on Main. And if you go to the investonmain.com website, you can get our free real estate report. So with that, I really appreciate you again tuning in and tune in for more exciting worldwide, world-renowned technologists and real estate experts.
Hi, this is Adam Carswell, the voice of Liberty. This podcast is solely intended for informational and entertainment purposes only and is not intended to provide tax, legal, investment, or accounting advice. You should consult your own tax, legal, accounting, or investment advisors before engaging in any transaction or undertaking. Thank you for listening to the Blockchain Real Estate Podcast, which is a part of the Blockchain Real Estate Summit Network. Go to blockchainrealestatesummit.com for more information, free reports, and giveaways with free stuff. Thank you.